These people promote this as a takaful when it is nothing of the sort. Assalamu alaikum everyone, Jesse here with Canadian Islamic Wealth. I hope you guys are having a great day, and today I'm going to be getting into some trickery that is afoot. And I'm going to be explaining to you how Ansar Housing Corporation is promoting fake Takaful insurance. But before I do, please make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button so that you can go back for more videos. First of all, before we get into anything, let us take a quick step back. What is insurance and is it halal? So typically insurance involves two things most scholars disagree with: uncertainty and interest, gharar and riba. And the grand majority of insurance out there contains these two aspects, whether it's home insurance, auto insurance, life insurance, disability insurance. Every single insurance company has policies that say, if this happens, we'll pay you a certain amount of money, but if nothing happens, we keep all of your money. This is totally unacceptable, and there are very few insurance policies that avoid these two issues. There are a few, but not many. And so what is happening on the website of Ansar Housing Corporation is that they are promoting a specific company as Takaful when it clearly is not. So what is a Takaful? A Takaful is an Islamic form of insurance that is based on mutual cooperation, and it avoids the issues of interest and uncertainty that are found in the grand majority of insurance policies. So let's do a little bit of an investigation to see whether or not the insurance that Ansar Housing Corporation is promoting as Takaful is actually Takaful, and if it's actually halal. All right, so here we are. This is the cooperator's annual report. So in here, it'll tell you where all their revenue comes from and everything like that. The main thing that you need to look for is how the money inside the insurance policies gets invested. And so if we look right here, line by line of business, investment income and gains. So every single premium that gets paid into an insurance policy, what happens is it gets invested. And if we look at how that money gets invested, look at this. $93.2 million in 2021 was in interest income. Dividend income could be okay, but it might come from banks and different things like that. So as you can see, this is not Takaful. This is not halal in any way, shape, or form. All of the policies deal in uncertainty. If you don't get into a car crash, they keep all your money. If your house doesn't burn down, they keep all your money. There's no way that you can get anything back if you don't end up using the coverage, right? And now if you're in the camp of people that says, okay, that is fine, any type of insurance is halal, then more power to you. That's fine. You're capable of making your own decisions. Where I get steamed is that if you are in the camp of people that says insurance is haram, and it's haram because of the fact that there is uncertainty and interest, which is like the grand majority of scholars make these 2 points, right? So what's happening here is you are saying on Al Ansar website that this is Takaful. This is not Takaful, and none of it is being promoted or taken care of in a halal manner in any way, shape, or form. At the very least, what you can say is that, okay, the cooperators at least runs their company in a more Islamic manner than all the other insurance companies out there. If you say that, then I can maybe extend an olive branch to you, but for the most part, if you are someone who is just saying that this is Takaful, no, it is not. At the end of the day, I understand that we need auto insurance. It is a requirement by law, and therefore that makes it halal for our community to take it, right? I also understand that home insurance is required for the most part by everyone. So I also understand that too. And I certainly understand that there is a case to be made for insurance being a necessity in modern day society, given the fact that, major financial losses will occur if your house burns down, if your apartment floods, if any of these type of things. So believe me, I understand that more than anyone. But if you are in the camp that believes insurance is haram by default, without the exceptions of necessity, without the exceptions of it being required by law, then you absolutely cannot say that the cooperators is Takaful in comparison to any of the other insurance companies out there. It's total nonsense. But once again, if you are in the camp that believes all forms of insurance is halal, like, Dr. Mustafa Al-Zakra, then that's fine. But I'm just saying that if you're in the camp that believes insurance is haram, this is not a halal alternative. If anything, this is a fake takaful being promoted by a company where Muslims will look and say, okay, it has a halal sticker on it, I'm going to take it. We need to stop doing this because it makes it harder for actual halal options to make it into the market, because people have been burned so many times by these fake Islamic finance companies. Al Ansar, if you have a response to me, I would love to hear it, and I'd be happy to clear the air with you. But until that happens, this video is going to remain online. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.